How to create your own location on Instagram. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. To create your very own location on your Instagram, just open up your Instagram application. For this, you need to create a post firstly. Tap on the plus sign icon and select a media that you want to post on your Instagram. While you are in here, select on Add Location option. Now you can manually search for location that you want to add. Now the chances are that you already have a location pin for yourself. If I search for in my dreams over here, I guarantee there will be some other suggestion. If there is no suggestion as well, you can just manually add any location that you want to add. Just tap on share and wait for your post to be posted on your Instagram feed. At the top, you will see the location that you added for your post. Wasn't it simple? So it is a quick and easy process. However, if you face any of the difficulty regarding it, you can press and hold onto your application and head to app info. In here will before stopping it, then head to storage and cache to clear the bug or the cache built up. By doing this way, we'll be clearing the glitch or the bug issue. And this wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.